Haynes AutoFix is the most advanced online repair tool yet for motoring DIY tasks and covers 9 out of 10 cars on the road. This all-new digital product contains more features and is more technically advanced than any other product in the history of Haynes. AutoFix isn't based upon a strip down and rebuild, but contains other features that a Haynes Manual has never included, such as an interactive fault finder and videos. This video will give you a brief introduction to AutoFix to show you how you can use it to work on your car. Your AutoFix experience may well begin with the fault finder, which can help you diagnose and cure more than 400 common vehicle issues. In this example, we're trying to find out what could be causing our Skoda Roomster's engine to overheat. Simply click on Start Your Search and choose your component, or use the search bar to narrow down the issue. The first section in AutoFix is Service Intervals. Use this to find out when to service your car. In this example, for a Citroen C1, you can see when serviceable parts such as the engine oil and filter, air filter and spark plugs should be replaced. Once you've carried out a service, you'll need to reset the service indicator if required. So tap on Service Indicator Reset to be shown how to do this. There may be more than one method. We'll show you all of the options available for your model. The maintenance and repair section of AutoFix covers the vehicle's major systems, with full rundowns of major components such as the engine, transmission, brake system, electrical system and more. These are general guides that aren't specific to your vehicle. In this example, we want to replace the battery, so we tap on the electrical system menu. Now tap on Battery to be taken through the battery replacement procedure, which includes specifications. AutoFix also shows you each task's level of difficulty, provides tips to make the task easier, identifies common problems, includes the tools you'll require for each task, and highlights other tasks related to this procedure. Next, let's take a look at a different car and move on to the Specifications main menu. We're trying to find out a torque rating for a bolt. So with the torque settings submenu selected, you'll find a variety of manufacturer recommended measurements for your make and model. In this example, for a DS4, you can see torque ratings for many areas of the vehicle, including engine bolts, drain plugs, spark plugs, transmission, wheel bolts and so on. The only time we expect to see a warning light briefly pop up on the dashboard is when we turn on the engine. But if a light stays on, or if something flashes up when you're on the move, you'll need to know what it means as soon as possible, which is why the AutoFix warning lights and indicators section is invaluable. For example, what does this curly orange icon mean? It's the diesel engine preheating in progress light, and AutoFix tells us to wait until the light goes out before starting the engine immediately. Note that some icons are red and others are amber. Red means you should stop and investigate the issue immediately, while amber is an advisory signal. Locations is the next AutoFix section. It's useful when you're trying to find a specific component, such as an air conditioning sensor, the OBD connector, or the fuse boxes. For example, here are the grounding points for a Ford Kuga 1.5 EcoBoost. Here's one of the engine compartment fuse boxes, and here's a front view of the engine with solenoids, ignition modules and temperature sensors highlighted. The next AutoFix menu shows lubricants and fluids for a variety of serviceable parts. Here we're showing a petrol-engined Honda CR-V, and you can see that the fluids are listed according to component, such as engine, brakes, transmission and air conditioning. Tap on each submenu and you'll find the exact specification for your vehicle. In some cases, you'll also find capacities where relevant. It's important to familiarise yourself with a task before you carry it out and throughout the procedure, and the technical drawings section of AutoFix is the perfect way to do that. Say, for example, you want to replace the front shock absorbers on a Land Rover Discovery Sport. Tap on the suspension submenu and you'll be presented with an exploded diagram that shows all of the suspension components. You'll also find torque settings for each bolt and whether they need to be renewed. AutoFix features comfort wiring diagrams and makes it easy to find the component you're looking for. Click through the submenus for your car. In this case, we're looking at a Nissan Juke, and you'll be taken to a specific part of your car's wiring. Here, we've selected the right headlight, and you'll notice that the relevant section is highlighted within a red box. When you select another component, the wiring diagram automatically recenters. AutoFix is the most advanced online repair product yet for motoring DIY tasks. Got a problem? AutoFix it.